Hi guys, welcome back. It is still Monday the 7th of April and I am here just past the bridge. I've moved to the other side now and this view would be perfect if not for those pesky trees. Look, we've got Desmond there and he's doing a bit of chomping and destroying. I'm leaning on the lamppost and it's literally shaking and rocking. Desmond's going on in the top bit there. I'm wondering if I'd get a better view from actual on Chapel Street but across the road. I might just go down there and have a look. So guys, I'm down on the lower level now. I'm on Chapel Street and I'm looking more or less straight ahead. That's a great view of Desmond there. Look at that, with the tower behind. He's got his bitey head on, like pliers. I've not seen that head before. So I'm just going to film from here for a bit. Let's go out a little bit. What do you think of this view? I might just cross the road, you know, I don't know. Because here I've got the cars coming past. And I am kind of stood in the road, but I'm not stood in the road because I was stood behind a parked car, so I wasn't getting in the way of traffic or anything. Right, switch my hands, that's maybe better, look. I bet you've really missed this blue netting, haven't you folks? Maybe if I change the angle a little bit, we can get a good view of both Desmond and Skylar. I don't really know about that, you know. I mean, I'm walking around everywhere trying and I'm just feeling that there's not a lot of good views I can get today. I've got a good view of all the heads though, look, you can see all the different Desmond and Skylar heads there. Never knew there were so many. I was just thinking there's bitey, chompy, scoopy and diggy, but there seems to be lots more. It looks like Skylar's the star of the show today. guys, we found a little gap in the net. And I mean, I know it's just got a little bit of crunching around today, but that's still a great view, isn't it? I don't know what Desmond's doing. He's still crunching away, but we can't really see Desmond now because Skylar's in the way. But that's alright, we can watch Skylar for a bit. Much metal, just looking over here and round there, just so much metal. I've only got a few more minutes, guys, and I'm going to have to go to work, so we're just going to stay here for just a couple more minutes because we've got a great little view here. There's a tiny little gap in their blue netting which I've got my camera poked through. I'm still on the outside of the fence. Look, I've not gone inside of anything, obviously, so I've not sneaked anywhere. For now, we've got this fantastic view. Well guys, I think for now I am going to have to finish this one because I do have to go to work and I want to eat before I go to work. But I will be back here tomorrow to film, and tomorrow's my day off, so I'll have a little bit more filming time. But for now, as usual, once again I'm going to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall be back soon in the next video. Goodbye. Blackpool buses, machine scream.